So this student of ours purchased our CELPIP 15-hour course, and after doing the exam, this is what the student has to say, and I'm going to show you more reviews as well as what the entire CELPIP course has, so you can see if this is right for you, if you are the perfect candidate for it, and if you're going to actually be able to pass the exam. Well, this student said that, very nice student, very nice words. He said he got the CELPIP self-paced course, and he got remarkable results in CELPIP. And after investing nearly 2 months of dedicated effort and following your course diligently, I'm thrilled to report my scores are. Before we get to that, you can also finish this course within a week. All right, this is designed as a crash course, but if you give it more time, if you practice all the resources, you definitely get the most benefit. But you can get ready. I've had people who have done this in 2 to 3 days, but that's too fast. I recommend at least 2 weeks, but if you can give it more time, it's even better. But you can definitely finish 15 hours of videos within a week. Well, this student prepared really well, and he got speaking 9, writing 11, listening 10, reading 11. Speaking is the hardest thing in CELPIP. Almost everybody gets an 8 in speaking, so I'm very glad he got a 9. It should be more. I wished it was 10 or more, but speaking 9 is, trust me, it's a very high level of speaking with almost 0 mistakes. So this is great. This is a great result, and most people just need 9 or maximum 10 to get their scores. He said that it didn't only exceed his expectations, even when this was his first attempt. I cannot emphasize enough how instrumental your course has been in helping me achieve this milestone. The structure and content of your course was impeccably designed, providing me with the necessary skills, strategies, confidence to excel in each section of the test. So that's another thing, guys. Our course includes everything. All right, you see courses online that have $20 for one section, $20 for the vocab section, and so on. We don't do that. In our price, you get everything. That's what's called an all-inclusive course. He mentioned the attention to detail and some more good words here, which I really appreciate. So thank you. I don't want to name the student just to maintain his privacy. Now, I want you guys to understand why this course is so effective, and you can find the course link in the description. It will bring you to this page. As I said, it's an all-inclusive course. 15 hours of just detailed, action-packed video content that includes all 4 modules. In each video lesson, you also have notes on the side that you can see where the templates are written. They're more advanced, more complex than what you see on YouTube. And the course includes 5 mock tests that reflect the real exam, the difficulty level of the real exam, which is very important for everybody to experience, because when you are looking at these sample tests online, a lot of them which are free, they don't reflect the real exam. You're gonna score like 11 there at home, and you're gonna think your English is great. You go in the exam, you're gonna score 7. So make sure you look at the real exam-like mock tests that you're gonna find here in the course. 15 hours of videos, writing, speaking, copy-paste templates that you can just copy-paste, simple as that. But they're more detailed. Examples are mentioned there too, because most students are not able to use the templates correctly in the first go. So there are examples mentioned, there's do's and don'ts, and there's sample questions and answers that will tell you how you can implement those templates to get the best marks. This actually is a course that people pay for separately. I've seen some courses online, just vocab courses, all right? So these many words for CELPIP, and you pay a certain fee for that. Not for this one, all right? This is included in the course, 800 CELPIP, 10 plus vocabulary and phrases. You memorize these words. You don't even have to do all 800. You can do 400 or even 200. It's going to make a drastic impact on your scores. Okay, you're also going to get samples of writing and speaking content that score over and below 9 points. So you need to understand where you stand. If you write like someone below 9, you're going to score below 9. So that is mentioned there along with the examination marking criteria. A lot more things which you can see. There's also a free American accent training course. Accents are important in the exam if you are unclear. I've had some students I've given feedback to recently. They were not making mistakes, but I could understand them because I'm an immigrant as well. But if there's the examiner, they can easily say, well, I don't understand the accent. It's too heavy and it's not clear. That will make you lose marks. So it's good to practice this, but it is an optional thing. I always tell people practice CELPIP specific things first. If you have more time, you can practice the accent as well. It's just going to help you more. And it's also going to help you in your day-to-day life. You can access it on mobile, TV, laptop, any device basically. And you're also going to get free feedback on your speaking and writing scores. So it's nothing like you see online. It's not a completely 100% self-paced course because we are still going to be involved We are going to give you feedback on your writing and speaking for one complete test. The instructions on how to send it are in the course itself, which will be immediately available as soon as you make the purchase. There's going to also be a coupon code, so the price, which is usually 79, it's 49 right now, Canadian dollars. It's going to be even more discounted, but with a 20% discount if you use the coupon code CEL9. That is also mentioned in the description, and you get immediate access. You can start learning right away. You see some CELPIP content here, some content from the lesson, so you can see how the lessons would look like. There are additional products as well that you can purchase to improve your preparation. You can see a lot of the reviews from our students, video, audio, and written reviews, and more reviews down here. In fact, we have so many reviews recently. I'm going to be making a compilation of those and send those reviews to you guys via email if you have already registered on our website for emails. And by the way, if you go to our blog, you can also submit your email. You'll get a free mock test if you submit your email. You'll also be able to see a lot of free resources here that will help you for your exam. So the link for all this great stuff is mentioned in the description. And just like that student, I wish to see all of you have great reviews and learn just perfectly, do the exam in one go, just like that student, and just be happy and fulfilled, because this is a roadblock for many students for many years even. The people cannot pass this for a long time. So we'll help you with that. And even without the course, if you have any questions, if you're confused, just email us in the description as well, and we'll help you with your journey. Whatever questions and difficulties you're facing, we'll help you with that. Please subscribe to this channel as well, because there's a lot of great content that's coming up. I'm very excited to post that soon. And yeah, we'll talk soon. Take care.